Mr. Leonard-White here. I want to go over some of our technology as far as Soundtrap goes. So in your app, which you should all have on your iPads, once you log in with your Google account, you should see that you are a premium user. What I'd like you to do for your first project is kind of get an idea of how to layer your own sounds before we start layering with other people's. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and create a new project, which will open up the Sound Studio for you. The nice part about Soundtrap is it's like a Google document for music. So you can do all sorts of fun things with beats and synth, but we just want to do a blank project for now. For each voice, you're going to want to create a new track. So let's create a new track, and today we're going to use the voice and microphone because we're going to be using the microphone. You should get a start recording button. There is, in setting, your metronome, and there should be your tempo. Okay, we're going to start our recording, I suppose. You've got this big old button here, and I've got my first instrument, so it's going to count me off, and let's hope it's not too crazy fast. Whew. Okay, so that's going to process as my first track. That is a little bit fast for me, but oh well. Let's make it a little bit slower, which is not going to only change what I record next, but what I already recorded, which is why it's important to play along with your tempo that you're setting, especially when we start doing things with other musicians. We want to make sure that we're all playing to the same beat. Okay, I'm going to add a new track, microphone again, give that a rewind. You can see that my mic 2 is selected. If I go up here, I'm going to re-record over that first track, but I want to layer a new track. This is where I would suggest that you have some headphones under those settings and sound setup. It will let you listen while you play. But today I'm not going to listen while I play. But that's just me. So here we go. I'm going to lay down the second one, and since this is a round, I'm going to start a couple beats later. Slower tempo already. 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's going to process the second track, and I can do this with as many tracks as I'd like. I can add a new track, same thing. If I'm feeling lazy today, I could probably just copy and paste this as my third part. Not that we'd want to do that all the time, because that's not the point of this app. And so that would start in measure 3. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and export this so that we can listen to it together on this video. Here we go.